I have a keyboard that I need to build in 90 minutes, and if I don't finish within the allotted time frame, I have to do 20 push-ups. Wind Studio did sponsor this stream. I've got their Wind X65. See that right here? Very nice. Ooh. Got some nice foam, a box of goodies, probably the PCB and plate, custom cut foam here as well, and then there it is. Beautiful. So this is the little, I guess, little brother to the original Wind X, which was basically a 65 with a numpad on the right side. So they were just like cut that right off, and that is why we've got this one. Put this all away, and then I'll start the timer and we'll see how it goes. And for anybody asking if I can even do 20 push-ups, I think I can. Why wouldn't I be able to do that? I am hurrying. Okay, open the goodie box. Let's do this. Ooh, nice gaskets. I'm digging this. Hardware all in there. What is this? I'm gonna have a, yeah, there's no way. Look at that plate. It's ultra flexible. Wonky PCB because I need to solder. There's no way. There is no way I can finish this in time. Why is there so much foam? Wow. Okay, I can do this. We'll figure it out when I get there. So PCBs gotta solder, but it is south facing. Holy moly. I can do it. Let's open this up. That sucks. I just lost. We'll see about that. I don't think I've ever been able to solder a build that quickly ever, but you don't know. I can solder. I have a ventilation fan somewhere, and I have my soldering kit somewhere. It's gonna be fine. It's my fault, clearly, for not looking in the box beforehand. Ooh, you got my soldering tool?
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Well, just leave it on the floor. Oh, soldering. Gonna be fun. Don't burn your house down. I won't. I need instructions. All right, is there a build guide or not? Am I just gonna go in blind? I think I'm just going in blind. Fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. So I'll do the gaskets first. I think that takes me a long time all the time. Nice pour on gaskets. Very soft. Very soft. They'll go in like this. I'll just put my gaskets everywhere. Cool. Yeah, gaskets on the bottom look pretty. Go. Gaskets are so annoying. The stabs are undone. I haven't done anything for the stabs. The banana splits are already pre-lubed, so I'm keeping it there. Gaskets are done. That means the case is prepped. Okay, time for the time-consuming stuff. Stabilizers. Yeah, I didn't have any other stabilizers, but I've got these KBD fan screw-in stabilizers. What if you mess up? Nah, I won't mess up. I won't mess up. Don't worry. Just make sure everything is good. 1, 2, 3. Stabilizer. Lube them. Easy. These are clear, so they may be a little bit difficult to see. Of course, get the 205G0 out. Lube them. Got a glorious brush. It is. Ooh, that's too much. But you know what I say. More is more. KBD fan stabilizers are pretty good. Pretty cute. I'll use this. Dielectric grease is where it's at. Can't be wasting more Crytox nowadays. Why are there so many and not enough wires? Why did I lube all these? I've got alcohol pads because I'm smart now. Wipe the fingers. Is this a speed run? Yeah, absolutely I'm speed running. This stabilizer kit. Didn't it came with these? Should I use these? Hopefully you should use these. I think this is the first time you all will see me solder keyboard. I haven't soldered anything in a long time. Soldering. What an antiquated method. Oh no. This one's not even in it. Okay. Things like that is how you mess up. I have to undo things. No, it might just be the wrong direction. Oh, it is. Wow. Messed up 2 times. Keep that counter going. If I can still do it, it'll be great. How long do stabilizers take? 15 minutes? All work. Next, I have to make decisions on which foam I'm gonna use before I put in these switches. Either this one. Okay, this one goes behind like that. Now I've got this one. You know, I can cut out some of these. It's flexible. We're flexible. I'm flexible. Working. It's good. Everything's good. Cut that one off. There goes one. Cut that one off too. There goes 2. And then everything looks perfect. And And like that. Do I want to test my stabilizers or nah? Nah, let's just put switches in. I didn't even test my PCB, so things could go really badly. High risk, high reward. What is this saying? Fortune favors the bold. So I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Okay, banana split switches. You guys have been asking me to use this for the longest time and asking my opinions of them all the time. Well, now you can finally see it, but I'll have to put it inside a keyboard first because switches like this are, well, it doesn't really mean anything. I'll do the corners first. This is a super flexy PCB too. This will be a pain. Wait, these meant to be standoffs? These meant to be... yes, these are standoffs. So, need standoffs. I dropped something, but I think it'll be okay. I think I know how this is supposed to go in. It's getting less and less likely that I'll be able to finish with the amount of mess ups that I'm getting. More standoffs than I thought. This message is designed to slow Betty down. Why would you do that? I think that's it. I'm gonna say that's it. I've spent about 10 minutes on standoffs. Okay, now I'll align the tops and then I'll put in the switches. Am I doing this foam and this foam or this foam? Just doing every type of foam I could think about. Mindy, no! At this point, I still have the option to use this foam. Therefore, I will, because why not? Why not use more foam? There we go. I've got 51 minutes left. I still haven't put switches in. I haven't soldered. Boom. Switches time. Start with the corners. That looks good. That looks good. Gotta make sure the pins are sticking out. 46 minutes left. Time is ticking. Let's check it. Check it. Pins sticking out of everywhere. I swallow cum. That's funny. Thank you so much for the super chat. You got me. Okay. I'm good. Just need these few and I need keycaps to do it. Space bar. I think the space bar. Oh my gosh. Did I make a 7-use space bar? Oh yeah. Yeah, I did. I made a big space bar. One mistake here and there. No big deal. I have 38 minutes and I just realized I've got a 7-use space bar. I can still redeem myself. Okay, soldering. Soldering time! I'm panicking. There are 36 minutes left. I've got to solder. Take the soldering kit out. Let's go. Alright, you're gonna hear some fan noises. There he goes. This fan will protect my lungs from any foul odors that may emit into the air. Okay, let's do this. Surgery time. My fan here is exhausting so that I don't have to breathe in any terrible solder fumes, which are really bad for you. So if you do solder, make sure you do it outside or have a fan. As you can tell, I'm really good at this. Yeah, if you do see it, like, it has a ton of fumes. I have 28 minutes. I think I'm making good time. Really good time. Is that a hole? I don't even know what I just soldered. Nothing. I soldered nothing. 2 more switches. It looks pretty good. Not the most beautiful soldering job, but I'll take it. Now's the moment of truth. I've actually got to test it. Oh, but here's the thing. Okay, I need this daughter board here to even test it. Yeah, I've got 22 minutes left. I think that's adequate time where I should test the PCB, or else I could regret things later in life. I've been drinking water. Plug you in. There is light. Okay. There is light. Progress. Wait. There's no backspace? What is this? I think that'll just have to be something I reprogram later. Shouldn't do that. It's binded for split backspace. Oh. Okay, that makes sense because there's 1, 2. It's not broken. I know it's not broken. Okay, which keyboard case foam thingy am I gonna go for? Going for the thick one. 18 minutes. This in here. Connect this in here. I don't know. Do I want this? Why not? Why not? Let's do it all. Alright. Should close. I know I still need keycaps, but I'm gonna screw in this case first. Ooh, yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. 16 minutes. Time is running out. These feet are nice. I like this. Triangles? Haven't seen anyone use triangles before. How much time is left? 13 minutes to put on keycaps. All right, these keycaps are EPBT. I don't know what colorway they're gonna name it yet. No, Enjoy PBT. And it will be launching in group buy with... Where the heck was this supposed to go? Let's not think about that. These keycaps will launch in tandem with the group buy of this keyboard. They match perfectly. They're beautiful. They got pretty decent flex. Wow. I've never used these before. Ooh. Got a green and orange here. Yes or no? Yes. 10 minutes. The timer is going down. At this point, it's looking pretty dandy. It's looking pretty good. Thoughts on 7U? It's massive. What are your thoughts on the 7U? It looks massive. I'm digging the keyboard though. It looks great. For how we did not check our stabilizers, you know, they sound surprisingly good. You know, when I said fortune favors the bold, fortune really does. Don't be bold every time, because then fortune will not favor the bold every time. Fortune favors the bold sometimes. Page up, page down. The green escape doesn't go together. Fine. I also agree. I'm not feeling the green escape. Maybe this. That's sort of cute. There we go. Oh, green on delete. That's what you want? You know what? Just for you. Fix the backspace. Oh, that. Yeah. How do you program this thing? Okay, I can't type backspace, so don't make any mistakes. That will be a real problem. How to program. Okay, we have 5 minutes left. I have finished building the keyboard, and I gotta say, even with a ton of mistakes that I did, like the 7U spacebar, not knowing there were standoffs, deciding what foam to use, dropping things here and there, having to solder, not even knowing the PCB was a solder PCB, so many mistakes. But there will be no push-ups today. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. I have one. Ha! All right, sound test. I would say Prelude, it sounds pretty good too. The keyboard kit is $288. The only thing I did not use was this. I think it's awesome. It's really great. Anyways, thank you so much for sticking with the stream. Have a good night, everyone, and enjoy your day.